In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable form in Docusign. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab inside your account, and you want to click on Get Signatures. Now, when you do that, it's going to start creating your envelope, and this is where you basically have to upload a file or just drag and drop it over here. So, I have a sample fillable PDF over here, which I'm going to drag in here, and this one already has some fillable fields. As you can see here, it says we found form fields for sample fillable PDF, and that's good. So, if you have that, you can go ahead and basically drop it in already, and it's going to create a fillable form for you. But of course, it's going to allow you to customize yourself as well, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Now here you don't want to add your recipients. I'm just going to add myself as the only recipient here, and I'm also going to just select a random category here, and I'm not going to add anything else. I'm just going to click on Add Fields, top right. Now when you do this, it's going to take you directly into where you can select how you want to convert these PDF form fields. So it says, what would you like to do? You can actually assign it to a specific recipient. You can keep PDF form data or delete data. So I'm just going to keep data and click on confirm here, and there we go. It's going to basically get in here. So as you can see, I have these form fields in here already, and there's basically like these checkboxes, stuff like that. Now in here, you can select a bunch of different things. For example, if you want to add a name here, as you can see, it says please enter your name. I can just select name here and drag and drop it on here. And of course, I'm going to be able to basically then just position it over here. I can play with the formatting if I want to. I could go and play with the font size in here, stuff like that. And then I can just position it in here, and people are going to be able to then basically fill the information in here. And I've created my first fillable field, okay? So that's the first thing. Over here, of course, you have different choices as well. So you could go ahead and do like drop downs. You could do radios, checkboxes, text, whatever you want. So for example, here I have these checkboxes. I'm going to just click them onto here like this. There we go. As you can see, there's already a plus button, and there we go. Roughly like this, I now have kind of a fillable form which people can click. And here it says, please select an item from the combo drop down list. I could go ahead and just put a drop down list on here. And then on the left hand side here, it's going to allow me to basically create different rules, set different formatting. So if I want to make it a bit bigger, there we go, that's also possible. And you can go ahead and basically add in lists or series. So I'm going to add in options, just some random colors over here. For example, red, blue, and then green, just to show you how this works. There we go. And then the default option is going to be red, like that. There we go. And then you could do calibration, location, and autoplay, stuff like that. You could play around if you wanna. And then of course, here you have different other fields as well, like age, name, stuff like that. You could go ahead and find different form fields in here. I'm not going to waste your time here to actually show you, because I do think you now get how to do it, okay? Now, when you've done that, you can go to the preview tab up top, top right, and it's going to show you how this is going to look like when somebody actually tries to sign this. And as you can see here, there we go. I now have a drop down menu over here. I can go and basically select whichever one I want. Here, it basically auto-filled my name because of course I was signed in. And then I have different options which I can select if I want to, these check marks. And that's basically what people will see. And that's how we create a fillable form in Docusign. Now, whenever you're ready, you can just click on next over here. And of course, go choose and stuff like that. And you can then go out of your preview mode and then just send it to the people who you actually selected, or of course the list of your recipients you want to receive this form. So that's how to create it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.